HIG-FAM, HIG Facility Environmental Model, Professional Consultancy and Implementation Support. Presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Email ID info@urgsiso.com. Mobile number +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Hello everyone, welcome everyone. In today's global marketplace, sustainability is no longer optional. It has become a business necessity. International brands, retailers, and buyers increasingly expect manufacturers to demonstrate a strong environmental performance, responsible resource management, and transparent sustainability reporting. Whether you are a textile manufacturer, exporter, footwear producer, leather processor, or chemical manufacturer, environmental performance has become a critical factor for doing business with global customers. This is where HIGG, Facility Environmental Model, commonly known as HIGG FEM, plays a vital role. Welcome to this informative session by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Today we will discuss what is HIGG FEM, why industries need HIGG FEM, benefits of HIGG FEM, environmental performance indicators, HIGG FEM assessment process, common implementation challenges, business benefits, why choose URGS for HIGG FEM consultancy. Let us begin. What is HIGG FEM? The HIGG Facility Environmental Model, in brief, means we call it HIGG FEM also, is an internationally recognized environmental assessment framework designed to measure and improve the environmental performance of manufacturing facilities. It helps organizations evaluate their environmental practices across various operational areas. The assessment focuses on measurable environmental performance rather than simple regulatory compliance. It enables organizations to identify improvement opportunities and demonstrate their commitment to sustainability to customers and global brands. Why HIGG FEM is important? Global supply chains have changed significantly. Today, buyers expect manufacturers to prove responsible environmental practices. HIGG FEM helps organizations improve environmental performance, meet customer requirements, support ESG initiatives, reduce operational risks, improve resource efficiency, strengthen sustainability reporting, enhance global competitiveness, support responsible manufacturing, build customer confidence, improve supply chain transparency. Organizations implementing HIGG FEM often strengthen long-term relationships with international brands and retailers. Industries that benefit from HIGG FEM. HIGG FEM is applicable across many manufacturing sectors. These include textile manufacturing, garment manufacturing, footwear manufacturing, leather industries, home textile manufacturing, fabric processing, dyeing units, chemical manufacturing, packaging industries, accessory manufacturers, export-oriented manufacturing units, global supply chain partners. Any organization supplying products to international buyers can benefit from implementing HIGG FEM. Key assessment areas. HIGG FEM evaluates environmental performance across several important areas. These include environmental management systems, energy consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, water consumption, wastewater management, air emissions, waste management, chemical management, resource efficiency, environmental data quality, facility performance monitoring. Continuous improvement. Each area is evaluated to identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement. Benefits of HIGG FEM. Implementing HIGG FEM provides numerous business advantages. Organizations can achieve improved environmental performance, reduce energy consumption, lower water usage, reduce waste generation, better chemical management, reduce carbon footprint, improved ESG performance, enhanced brand reputation, greater customer confidence, improved resource efficiency, better regulatory compliance, support for sustainable goals, competitive advantage in global markets. These benefits contribute directly to long-term business growth. Common challenges during implementation. Many organizations face challenges while implementing HIGG FEM. Common issues include incomplete environmental data, poor documentation, lack of monitoring systems, insufficient employee awareness, weak chemical inventory management, inaccurate energy data, limited water monitoring, poor waste segregation, incomplete environmental records, weak improvement planning. Professional guidance helps organizations overcome these challenges efficiently. How URGS International supports your organization. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides complete HIGG FEM support for industries. Our services include HIGG FEM gap assessment, implementation support, self-assessment guidance, verification readiness, environmental performance evaluation, energy management assessment, water stewardship assessment, GHG emissions assessment, waste management evaluation, chemical management assessment, environmental compliance review, continuous improvement programs, employee awareness training, management review support. Our experienced professionals help organizations build robust environmental management practices aligned with international expectations. Why choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International because we offer experienced sustainability professionals, industry-specific expertise, practical implementation approach, independent technical support, global best practice guidance, customer-focused solutions, comprehensive environmental assessments, support for ESG initiatives, improved environmental performance, reliable technical assistance. Our objective is to help organizations improve sustainability performance while strengthening their position in the global supply chain. Now, at last, closing. Environmental sustainability has become a key requirement for global manufacturing. Organizations that invest in HIGG FEM improve operational efficiency, reduce environmental impacts, strengthen customer confidence, and build long-term business resilience. If your organization is planning to implement HIGG FEM, prepare for customer assessments, improve environmental performance, or strengthen its sustainability strategy, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support your journey. Now, contact us, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact first through WhatsApp for your query. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional content on sustainability, ESG, HIGG, FEM, ISO standards, environmental management, audits, inspection and corporate compliance. Thank you for watching. Build a sustainable future, strengthen your global supply chain, partner with URGS.